Hello everyone, my name is Miss Tristan and I am with Handful Players. And today in our how-to video, we are going to learn and perform our very own clown skit. You will need, for our clown skit, a utensil from your kitchen, either a spatula, this is the best, or you can use like a large spoon like this, any large kitchen utensil that doesn't have any kind of sharp edges. We'll need that prop for our clown act. All right, let's do it. I almost forgot the most important thing. Safety first. Always at Handful Players and in class with me, safety has to be first. So while we're doing any of these things in the clown act, if they're hurting you or they don't feel right, time out, stop, and we have to figure out how to do them safely. None of the things we're doing should hurt you or not feel good. So if they aren't feeling good, time out. Go back and let's try it again, because clowning is about having fun and using our bodies, but it's also number one thing about being safe. All right, let's do it. So this spatula is going to transform into a sword. Now that's the other magical thing about clowning. We get to make up the world we're in. So anything and everything can happen in clowning. We get to tell whatever story we want to tell using our tools, our body, and maybe we have outside tools that help us tell the story too. All right, so for this clown act, your clown character is going to come out like they are very brave. They're a very brave clown character. And I want you to think of one line that your clown character always says, like, "Ha-ha, I'm here to save you," or "Have no fear, I'm here," or "I'm here." Okay? So your clown character is going to take our sword, hold it on your hip just like this, and you're going to walk on stage like you are very brave, okay? So you'll take 2 steps onto stage and you'll say your line. "Have no fear, I'm here." And you're going to pull out your sword, but your sword, it's stuck, okay? So you're going to try to pull it out, get. And it's very important that you have the other hand over this hand while you're trying to pull it out. And as you pull it out, your sword is going to cut this hand, okay? All right, so let's start from the beginning again. You're gonna walk out, "Have no fear, I'm here." Oh, okay? And you're gonna cut this hand. To check on the hand that you cut, you're gonna take your sword and you're gonna put it under your armpit, okay? From here, under your armpit, so you can check your hand. Okay. And then once you're okay, you're gonna tell the audience you're okay. I'm okay. Get back into your bravery. Say your line again. "Have no fear, I'm here." And you're going to pull out your sword again. But instead of cutting your hand this time, it cuts your armpit. So you're going to take the sword and you're going to put it between your legs, right between your knees. Hopefully you can see that, right between your knees, so that you can check your armpit. And once you recover, you can tell the audience, "I'm okay." So we did something twice, right? We cut our hand, we cut our armpit. Now the third time it's going to be different, our magic number of clowning, all right? So once our armpit's okay and we tell the audience, "I'm okay," we're gonna come back to our bravery, say our line, "Have no fear, I'm here." We're gonna pull out our sword, but guess what it's gonna cut this time? Forget about it, and you get to exit off the stage. So once you cut your knees, your clown character's had it enough, they're done with being brave, and they get to exit. You can say, "Forget about it." Or once you cut your knees, you could say, "I quit." Or you could say, "Have no fear, have a lot of fear, because I don't want to be here," or something like that. You can get creative about the way you exit off the stage, all right? So I broke it down. Now I'm going to show you the whole thing without me talking, just doing it like you will do it, okay?
I'm here. Oh my goodness. I'm okay. I'm here. My goodness. I'm okay. I'm here.
And whenever you finish a clown act, it's very important to take a bow afterwards so people can clap for you and show you their love and support and appreciation for your time and for bringing them laughter and humor. However you do your bows, Just make sure that you do it so that we can clap for you. All right, friends, that is our clown act. It is now from me. I share it with you. It is in your hands now. So thank you, my dears, for this clown time, and I send all my love your way.